I had meant to show y'all it getting loaded up, but it's on there now. And my little brother bike. Hey, what you say was wrong with the shoe?
I just go to keep the chain, loosen it up.
I think he said he need a screw on his chain, tighten his chain up. Think he gonna look at some brakes too. But yeah, I should have showed y'all that joker getting loaded on there. Put it on there. I thought we were gonna have to take the top out, but hell, we scooted it back. Me and my daddy had put it on there. My brother loaded it up. But yeah, finna get bro right.
That 85 the other day. Yeah, talk myself out of it. Fix it up, put the brakes on it. Sell it for like 800.
Got him Apollo. What you say, this is a 450?
Nah, this one 125.
Oh, he said this one a 125. But yeah,
For sale.
finna go drop the joker off. I'm gonna show y'all the vlog, probably unloading that joker. Then we're gonna get to the dog, but the dog already over there where the bike finna go. So here, get y'all together. I'll show y'all when we get on there. Look at that joker. Raining out here. Well, it ain't really raining right now, but it was raining. It was raining. Cowboy come on tonight. Bro got that game room set up in there. And he got some nice dog kennels right there, little old kennels right there.
I was looking at that too, that's great.
Yeah. Got his man cave set up. That joker, they're hard. Flat screens on the wall, but yeah, let me get out of the garage. That ain't my business. But yeah, let's say, man, we finna get over here, go handle this business. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Got more plays today. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Y'all be like. Get some gas right now. And one thing about the truck, boy, you gotta put some gas in that big old joker. That joker gonna drink that gas. Yeah, right here out 67 right now. 67, Cocker Hill. Hey, if you know anything about the D, boy, that's one Waffle House everybody be hitting. After all the parties, the club, this one of the ones. It's either this one or you gonna hit that joker, that one over there in DeSoto, out Wintergreen. But everybody know about that Waffle House right there. That joker there always been the food. That one right there out 67 Cocker Hill. But yeah, man, get some gas right now. Sunday of food, it feel good out here. Yo, let's say, let's go ahead over here, drop this bike off, get to these dogs. Pop out, pull up. No, we can't have that. I done dropped my phone down here. Oh, we can't have that. Well, just got that bike out there jogging. Y'all already know what we close to. Y'all smell it. It's Mary's over there. It's that Mary's kitchen, man. That's cool. Shoot. Hold it for me real quick. Hold it for me. I'm gonna go close these doors real quick.
You ain't got no brake, man? You been thugging like that?
I ain't used to ride like that.
Oh. You thought you rode it already?
Yeah, I rode
it.
Nah, yeah, I did, but I'm saying I took it on the run because bro told me it already had broke the first time. I'm not having to ride it on.
That got caged up.
Still waiting on my shit to get out the shop.
What, that big green one?
The green one.
The green one hard. Hell, this black one, I think I seen this one too, I think.
That's Mark shit.
Mark Grant? Oh, Mark Grant, for real?
Yeah,
Man, he what? Man, I ain't seen his crazy boy in so long. Look, when I see him, I'm gonna tell her like, boy, your bike over there, you didn't hit a car. Man, I ain't seen Mark probably since school, really? Nah, probably after that.
Pump with somebody and shit.
Cause them hoes run like that Viper and shit.
They run cool.
I don't know how them hoes. That's the Theo. The other.
And them boys right there.
That Viper is smooth.
That's called something Yamaha shit. All they do is
What size you? 125.
Yo, they're hard, boy. Bro finna pick his bike up. You know they wanna say what's up. You know they wanna say what's up.
no break.
Working, bro. Hey, I was like, hey, I gotta go and come over here. He told me he finna pick it up. I'm like, man, I gotta get
Go to that spot. Go to the.
Hey!
No, him.
Oh, him.
Yeah, he's picking the bike up, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, he wants you. He wants you to pull up here. He wants you to pull up here to get it off the ramp.
Oh, pull in the yard?
Yeah, up here on the other side of that box truck up there.
Hey, man, what you selling them puppies for? You ain't selling them?
Woo! That boy got that bite. Hold on. And I told y'all I was finna get that fresh fade. So yeah, I look a whole different ball game now, baby. I'm in the game. Yo, little bro on that bike. That joke ain't got no brakes on it. So you gotta roll it. He said you got downshift.
I ain't even finna really do that though. I'm finna go home and put it up so I get some brakes.
Let me ride this joke real quick then. You don't wanna ride it? You do? Okay, I'm gonna say, hell, if you don't wanna ride it, then you're gonna ride it. I mean, hell, I ride it if you don't want to. Just to make sure that chain don't pop. Hey, he ain't got no brakes on there?
No, so I rode that shit all the way to Becky.
For real?
Yeah.
What you had, could do the downshift and just let it roll?
Yeah, sure. Let it slow down, bro.
For real? That boy say he rode that joker to Bigley.
I'm on the car like a bitch.
That joker riding though?
Yeah, ride smooth.
For real? I ain't never seen him ride there. He always keep telling me about it. Hell, I ain't never seen him ride it. My first time seeing him today, we brought it over here. I think I'm gonna have to go on and cash out. I seen so much junk online. I want
Like
250s and 450s.
seen the big 125. That whole Kawasaki. I gotta go see what's wrong with that hoe.
Kawasaki 125
Yeah, but I'm gonna put my green bike. I'm gonna put my motor on that hoe.
on the 125.
Yeah.
Put your motor on the 125 body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On that Kawasaki bike. Oh, I've been thinking about.
I heard him. He must ain't slid into nothing. Slow down, Jack. He tripping.
Here you go.
Boy, got him right. Y'all see who I'm FaceTiming on that joke. I had to FaceTime my daddy real quick. Hold on, I'm finna show you Shoo on that joker.
Shoo is?
Uh-huh, he finna pick his bike up.
Y'all got a truck?
Yeah, he got somebody over here with a truck. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
I thought he was finna ride that joker home. Thought he was finna try to ride it home. My partner said he rode that joker out on the other side of Bickley, all the way to Bickley today.
You did?
Uh-huh.
What more, sir?
Back there doodling.
You do do.
Yeah, he on the back. Here comes Shoo right here. I hear him now.
Oh, I heard him too.
He got to downshift that joker and let it roll.
Yeah, that shit dangerous, really, but
Yeah, I had to get that boy on that vlog. I just left the barber shop. He like, I'm finna go pick it up. I said, hell, I'm finna meet you over there. I'm finna get that on the vlog because I'm showing them, you know, if it dropped off, it wasn't working. Now he got the joker rolling, so I showed that that's gonna be a good vlog right there. I got everything. I got everything. So now my partner sent him the brake system he need to order. I think that joker like $30. Hell. I think his brake system like $30.
Run it.
You ain't seen this one?
You say he rolled over there by big.
Uh-huh.
I thought that other was a little smaller boat.
Shubu.
It's pop.
Yeah.
How much you charging to fix it?
40.
It is.
Get them brakes.
You see my boy for you leave.
Bad shit, I'm gonna do 20 on brakes. In the front, I mean, the front end, but 20. Same thing. Look.
Hold on, I'm going to see Marshall. Hold on. Yeah, man, my boy got his money, got paid. That's what I be trying to tell y'all, man. You learn how to do something with your hands here. Bro just made him some money, $40. He do what? He do 2-3 bikes a day here, $80 to $120, man. He working with himself. He ain't got to pay no, you know what I'm saying, no shop rent, doing it at the crib. So, yeah. Yeah, man. Got my little brother right, so he finna be riding, finna order his brakes now.